Hello there, I'm back again. Welcome to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. So today I want to show you how to cook a round eye roast in the oven. So in a previous setting I showed you how to cook it in the air fryer, but everybody don't have an air fryer, right? So I want to now show you how to cook it in the regular oven. So you're going to cook it on 400 degrees and we're going to check it in 20 minutes, okay? So the star of the day is we have some Montreal steak seasoning. Oh, you talk about good. This is too good. This Montreal steak seasoning, it brings it home, guys. Okay? Alright, so let's get started. So here's our roast. As you can see, it's pretty big. I'll show you when we put it in the pan. So we just want to heavily, see, I don't have a top on the Montreal seasoning. I have it off so that I can just pour it. So we're just going to pour it on there heavily, really heavily, every inch of this roast. And then I'm going to pat it down. Then I'm going to turn it on its side, do the same thing. Because I want it on every part of this roast. Okay, and then I'll turn it on this side. Then I want to turn it all the way over and get it on this last side. I'm going to show you how heavily I put it on. I really packed it on purpose. Okay, guys. So let me show you this. Here's the roast. You see how much the seasoning I put on it? Because this is one seasoning you really want to pack it on, okay? Okay, so I'm going to put it in this pan here. And just wipe my hands. Okay, so this is a let me see, what is this? I think this is about a 3 ounce glass, maybe more, maybe 4. I only have, okay, this much water in here, okay? So I just want to barely coat the bottom just to make a little steam. That's all. Okay, I didn't even do a fourth. I did a fourth of a fourth of water, okay? Alright, so now that it's in there, we're going to put some, we're not going to put anything on there. We're going to put that in just like that on 400, and we're going to check it in 20 minutes. Okay, guys? Okay, so let me give you the word of the day while I'm at it. The word of the day is, have you checked the news lately? You need to really pay close attention to the news lately, because you know, we need to know what's going on in the United States at all times and abroad, okay? And when we're well informed, then we know how to spend our money, we know what to do, we know what to think, we can have a conversation about it, everything. That's all I'm going to say is, be informed, check the news. Lately, it's a lot going on, okay? And I don't want to get into all the details, but this is January, I think today is January 3rd, 2020. The year just started, and it's a lot going on in the news and in the world and in the United States. Okay, let's be prayerful. Pray that we all stay safe, okay? That's the word of the day. pray that we all stay safe and check the news and act accordingly. Alright, so we're going to put the roast in the oven now, alright? Thank you. Okay guys, our Montreal beef eye round roast is out of the oven. Let me let you take a look at that. How about that, guys, huh? Doesn't that look good? And I checked the temperature. The temperature on this is 123. You want it around 120, give or take, okay? And then that would be pink in the middle. So I just wanted to show you how to make one in the oven, since I showed you in a previous video how to make one in the in the air fryer oven. And let me get a picture. This is for my thumbnail. How about that, huh? Thumbnail. Nice. I can't center it. There we go. Okay. So I can't cut it, guys, because it has to rest before you cut it, okay? So please give it a thumbs up if you like it. Share the video. Subscribe. Check out my links below, okay? I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.